Hey everyone, Duke Nukem 3D here with another mystery unboxing video, and this one really is a mystery because this is an item of such rare, well, not obscurity, but just somewhat rarity that I really don't know if it's going to be what I think it's going to be, but I'm hopeful. So, and I apologize for the terrible lighting. It's been kind of rainy out, so I just couldn't hold off doing an unboxing on this, so we'll get right into it. And I'm not going to reveal what the item might be until after I open it, whether or not it's the actual item or not. So let's go ahead and find out if I'm really getting what I'm expecting I'm getting here. So start off by cutting it open. Here we go. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, in fact. And what this is the canteen and drinking adapter for the Finnish M95 gas mask. Most of you may know that if you've watched my Finnish M95 review, I've mentioned that these canteens are exceedingly rare on the surplus market. I've never seen any on eBay in quite a long time, and as of now, there's only one website still selling these, and that is what I bought. I picked this up for about $15 total, including shipping, and in fact, it is the M95 canteen. I'm very pleased with this. So now I am able to use the drinking device with my M95 now that I have this canteen. I'm very satisfied with this. I was sort of a bit skeptical just because it's the one website on the internet still selling these, and I don't know how many they have in stock, and I'm not going to reveal what the website is. I'll leave that up to you to find it, but as of now, I can confirm these guys are legit. The shipping was a bit weird. They took a little bit to get it out. I think it took like a couple days for them to actually get it in the post, like 2 or 3 days. And then it took about 4 days to get here, but that's with the cheapest shipping option. So I imagine it'd be quicker if you got the advanced shipping. But anyways, yeah, so this is one that's produced by Scott Aviation. So the canteen is not Finnish military issue. However, Verus Tequila does sell the actual Finnish canteens. I may pick up sometime because I know my friend Eli does have a spare canteen cap that I was originally going to buy off of him and just get a Finnish canteen off of Verus Tequila, but now that I found this website, I don't need to do that anymore. However, he does have a genuine Finnish M95 carrier that I will be buying off of him sometime, so be on the lookout for that sometime in the future. But anyhow, yeah, the principle of this is very simple. You simply just undo the covers and just plug it right into the mask, like so. That's basically it. I will probably do a drinking review of this canteen and tell you guys how it goes and, you know, how it works and all that. Just let you know the quality of this and everything. So, yeah, that's basically that. This is kind of a short video, and I apologize, but I hope you enjoyed. That was my unboxing of what is now one of the very few M95 canteens in circulation. Hope you enjoyed. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns down in the comments below, and I will see you all next time.